Okay.
All right, this was week 6 of our 6-week series in Swing 101. Last class! Congratulations, everybody! So this is what we taught in class today. We started the class at the end of the dance with a nice dip that looked like this. Triple, triple, rock, step, triple, triple, rock, step, dip. Okay, very slight. Then we also taught a tuck turn from closed position that looks like this. Triple, triple, rock, step, triple, triple, rock, step. Okay? And we taught a turn down the line. 5, 6, 7, 8, triple, triple, rock, step, triple, triple, rock, step. And then we kind of strung all of that together into a two-handed turn that looked like this. Triple, triple, rock, step, triple, triple, rock, step, triple, triple, rock, step. You can also do that turn with a tuck turn. Triple, triple, rock, step, triple, triple, rock, step, tuck, turn, rock, step. Okay? And the lead does not have to turn on those. That was Chris's choice. He can also choose just to do a triple while the following is turning on those last bits. All right, thank you guys very much.